It's held on by 5 23mm lug nuts. Now we're going to move to, if you don't have a lift, which if you're watching my video, you more than likely don't have a lift, so removing this wheel well will give you direct access to the top bolts. The bottom one is just really easy to get to. So 3 10mm screws. Then you're going to want to move to Phillips head, because we got a couple. You don't have to get them all out, because if it's old and rusted like this one, it's not held in by all of them anyway. There's one. There's another one right there. This one's connected by more than just 2. All right. And see, those back 2 aren't even connected, so. Get the screws out, keep them in a safe place. And I need 2 hands. Sorry, I'm filming with 1 hand today. Every time I buy a GoPro stand, it breaks within 5 uses, and they just keep sending me new ones. So, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get back with you when I remove this. But anyways, that's it though. You just work it out. And aiming towards the side of the Dodge, there's an 8mm right here. That up out of the way. And as I stated, there's your top bolt. It's a 21mm bolt head with also a 21mm nut. I'm going to use power tools, but yeah, I have a 6-inch extension so that I can grip this here. And then you can easily access this from behind. Alright, so that's spun off. We can. There's a nut. There's a bolt. And we'll move to the bottom, which is the same process. Out with the old. Now this new one, I'm going to start at the top. I'm just going to set the nut on. I'm not going to fully tighten it. I just want to make sure it doesn't fall out. So this is sometimes successful and sometimes not. What you want to do is have the bolt ready and get it lined up so that when you cut it, it slides in there, which actually that worked out pretty perfect. You can take a pry bar or a screwdriver, one choice. Give it a couple twists to get it where it needs to be. And that's it. Go ahead and cut it off the top section as well. And like the other side. And then, if you can see it, do the same for the upper. Get your wrench unstuck. And now it's just putting back together everything else. So you're gonna start by putting your wheel well back, line it up with these three, and sometimes you might have to readjust them to get them back in the center. You put your wheel well back on, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.